Oh my goodness, y'all. So you know I really do not prefer silky straight hair. I give it to you guys because I know some of you really do like silky straight hair. Baby, this is making me rethink my whole qualification system when it comes to this straight hair. I cannot wait to give you the details, but let me tell you something. I felt fly on top of fly. I'm just gonna jump right into it, cousins. This wig is by WowAfrican. This is the highlighted silky straight. Yes, y'all heard me. Silky straight HD lace 9x6 pre-everything wear and go glueless bob wig. Now I'm gonna be honest, I have really kind of been dibbing and dabbing into like the colors here lately just to kind of see what's what. I'm practicing for a few things, y'all. You know I'm always dabbling and stuff, but one thing about WowAfrican is that hairline is gonna hairline, okay? So I already know it's gonna look like it's melted. Although it's glueless, it's gonna look like it's melted, y'all. Like melted, like a Snicker bar on a dirt road in the middle of July in Mississippi. Melted like that, okay? Look at that, y'all see it? I ain't lying. But you guys, this is their pre-everything. So the lace is pre-cut. It's a pre-plucked hairline. The knots are bleached. It has the C-shaped ear cut out, so it's not laying across your ear for comfort. And for those who wear glasses, you guys, it also has removable combs. Some people don't like combs in their wig caps, so bam, you can have it on. It's secured by Velcro, so it is very, very secure, y'all. If you want the combs in there, it will stay. It has the elastic band with the silicone strips to hold on to the back of that neck like a good relationship. Yes, but you guys, it's actually attached to the cap. It's built into the cap, so it's not like a removable elastic band. It's in there. It's a part of the cap, baby. But not only that, it also has the drawstring in the back, y'all. There is no way, I don't care who preaching and how good they preaching on this. It could be the 7th day of revival, okay? It can be the 7th day, the close out revival day, baby. You are not gonna shout this wig off your head. As many amenities, huh? Turn to your neighbor and say amenities. As many amenities as they put on this wig to secure it, you better not be out here flying and hauling out your wig now. That's what this is. This is the wig you wear to service, okay? Because don't get out here and embarrass me on TikTok with your wig flying off in church, okay? Second service too, because you know sometimes second service be right now. Sometimes it feel like the 7th day, but anyways, y'all look at that. Look at that. And I haven't even put on any sort of like my bronzer on my face. Like I did my makeup, but I didn't do the bronzer. So when I put the bronzer on, baby, oh my goodness, y'all, I'm gonna tell you what did it for me while you watch me style this. The fact that this is 250% density. This is a 12-inch wig, 250% density. Now, y'all know I love a high density wig. 250% density. This is the thing about silky straight wigs. I'm gonna need that. Give me all the density. See, because the one thing about it is, I'm not like, if you ask me my preference of wig, it's gonna have some texture, baby. It's gonna have some curls, some kinks, some coils, some yak, some to it. So if you give me something that's silky straight, I have to have it in high density. I don't want no boneless wig, y'all. I don't care how much barbecue sauce and lemon honey pepper sauce you put on there. Don't give me a boneless wig. And a lot of times with silky straight wigs, baby, they be super boneless. This right here has body. This wig has body, y'all, which I absolutely am loving. So I think the key for me is, okay, if you're gonna give me a straight wig, put that density on it, huh? Throw that density upon the wig. That way I can feel like it's something to it. Cause other than that, y'all, and this is no, this against people who have straight hair. Hey, baby, it's cool to have your whatever type of wig you want, your natural hair. If it's straight, boo-boo, you work it, honey. But baby, my natural hair is not straight. And when I do press it, with my hair being fine, honey, I have to keep my hair in its natural state in order to make it seem like I got a little thickness to it. Cause other than that, no, I'm just not you see? So for a straight wig to do me like this, y'all can put some stock into this. Y'all can put some stock into it, okay? Now, I wasn't sure if I wanted to, kiki with this middle part, cause it's giving, honey, or if I wanted to slide over to the side part. But, eventually I'm gonna slide over to the side part. But I just want to show y'all, this is glueless, y'all. This is a glueless wig. Let me tell you something about WowAfrican. WowAfrican is one of my favorite vendors when it comes to the hairline, okay? A flawless hairline can make or break a wig. Let's just keep it a buck. A flawless hairline can make or break a wig. And if you're not into like pre-plucking, you don't want to do all that, you have to invest in a wig that comes pre-plucked. Now, not the kind of pre-pluck where they pluck a few little strands and then put it in the bag and ship it. There are a small handful of vendors that put their foot, you hear me, in their pre-plucking. Like that's their thing. When you see that hairline, you're gonna be like, bet. Okay, WowAfrican is one of those vendors. All right, so if you're looking for a flawless hairline, that you can wear glueless now. Okay, because that's the other key. You can have it, but yeah, if you're looking for a glueless one, you got to get certain things. You can see, you saw it when I just swapped it on my head. I did no plucking, no bleaching of the knots. I did not cut the lace. Now, the lace is pre-cut, but if you want to trim a little bit more, if it's too much lace on there for you, you can feel free to trim it even more. I think that's just the standard of pre-cut lace. Sometimes I go in and I'll trim more off of it. It just depends on how I feel. I didn't feel like doing that on this day, y'all. So I didn't. But y'all, look at that. Look at that. You ready. You ready. They have done everything for you. They've done everything. The only thing you have to do is style it the way that you want to style it. Put a little bump in it. Now don't, if you want to do the Sunday school bump, you can do that. Yeah, you can do that. But, it just depends on how you want to come at it. But y'all, I am thoroughly pleased. The movement, but what's doing it for me is the density. What's doing it for me is the fact that there's a high density level with this, you guys. This makes a straight wig doable for me. Okay, and then the color, the highlights, the blend of the highlights, you guys. It looks really, really good on my chocolate olay. You understand? Baby, so this is giving spice, but you can pull it back a little bit if you want to. Shell, I was looking like I was going somewhere and went nowhere, okay? You hear me? But y'all, sound off in the comments. Let me know what you think about this, and let me know also, should I add this to my shop, y'all? My link tree is now a shop, you guys. I'm gonna talk about it on another video, but let me know if I should add this on there. But let me know what you think about this one. I think it's a baddie, y'all. All right, peace, love, light.